Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and today I want to talk about goals. So over the last few weeks and months I had a few or more than a few conversations where people are asking me for career advice, how to find a job, what to learn, Livewire or inertia or something like that. So kind of like global questions where I'm not really an expert to give an advice because it's very personal. So even what I will talk in this video, take it with a grain of salt because every situation is individual. But on the surface, I feel that I can give a general advice on what those people need. In general, most of them. So by asking like, how can I find a job or what should I learn? They're kind of asking for my permission to do something that they know they have to do. So learn Livewire or inertia. What they need to do is read both documentations and decide what is best for them. Maybe do some experimentation and then decide what is best for them. Maybe make a market research, Google what is more popular in their market, Google what brings them more job opportunities. So basically do the research themselves instead of asking me or Twitter or whoever. Similarly, to find a job, what you need to do. First, you need to identify where you would like to work, and I mean specific companies. So you need to perform a market research, like you want to find a job as a Laravel developer. Okay, Google Laravel jobs in your area or in your region or in your market, whatever. Identify what companies are there, what are the requirements. Along the way you may find out what to learn if you have gaps. And then at the end of this market research you would have a goal. So you would see the end mission in mind. And then from the goals you need to identify the tasks, what you need to do to get to that goal. So if you want to work at Microsoft or Facebook or whatever, like big company, you need to identify what you need to learn and then you need to learn that. It sounds not that complicated. Of course, it's hard, but to identify what to do is not that sophisticated. So the overall path to your kind of long-term career goals would be this. You need to find your mission or the goal, whatever you call that. And another example, kind of a silly example maybe, but I'm a big fan. I used to be a big fan of Terminator movies, and in one of the movies they reprogrammed the Terminator, who should have been a protector of John Connor, but then got confused, and John Connor is asking him loudly, "What is your mission?" And then the Terminator gets confused, but the action of the Terminator should be based on the mission. So you need to find out your mission, and you need to get it clear to yourself daily. So the overall kind of layer is a goal and a mission. Then you need to identify the second layer, which is tasks, what you need to do towards that mission. And it can be daily tasks, small tasks, like Googling jobs in your area while standing in the queue of a coffee shop on your phone, 5 minutes. That also counts. That would be a small but still a step forward towards your goal. And then the third layer is habits. So goals, tasks, and daily habits, but you need to remember the overall goal daily again. I'm not sure if you need like motivational poster in your home or something, but daily progress, small progress but still a progress towards your goal should actually bring the result sooner or later. So yeah, that video is not that much about coding or development or anything. It's more about career and more about goal setting, not only in terms of career, whatever, but I see that as 3 layers: goals, tasks, and habits. You can read a great book about that called Atomic Habits, well-known worldwide bestseller. I keep rereading that from time to time to motivate myself, even to shoot those weekly and daily videos. So that's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.